fresh morning amidst the ongoing tension of COVID-19 pandemic. A little retreat to keep ourselves positive and fit. Around 6:15 in the morning, we took off towards our cousin's home at Thakuria, Kolkata. There we met our two cousins and brothers-in-law and my little niece Pupu. Our journey for Bokhali started from there by an Innova driven by one of my brothers-in-law, Shoikotta. It was our sister's meet after 8 months, and so we started chit-chat very soon we met. Meanwhile, the car left our beautiful Kolkata behind and headed towards South 24 Parganas. We stopped at a market near Usthi and had our breakfast with egg toast, potato fritters and some packed cakes. Earlier, we made our Bokhali plan for 8th of August. However, after the announcement of complete lockdown on that day, we have to switch over our plan to 1st of August. Fueling ourselves, we left Usthi and headed towards the newly made Hatania Doania bridge over the beautiful Hatania Doania river. This bridge was constructed more than a year ago, and before that one had to cross the river through jetty. The view of the river, floating boats and the greeny land areas was so refreshing. Bokhali is 130 km from our cousin's house at Thakuria and 25 km from Hatania Doania bridge. My brother-in-law Shoikotta has booked a resort near the sea. As we couldn't find rooms in the West Bengal tourist lodge, viewing the beautiful resort, we all delighted very much. It was indeed a beautiful cozy resort. We, the sisters and our little Pupu stayed at the car. Meanwhile, the boys went to the room for personal sanitization. They spent almost an hour for sanitizing the rooms. In fact, you can view how perfectly and minutely they have tried to sanitize the rooms. We took 3 rooms at a cost of total 10,000 at the second floor of the main hotel building. Rooms are very much clean and enough spacious. Each room had adjacent balcony, which offers a wide view of the Bay of Bengal. Don't put off your mask, but I have to talk to you. Friends, we are at Bokhali. It is in the South 24 Pargana district of West Bengal. Yeah, I know traveling is a bit luxury, or it may sound awkward at this critical situation, but to get rid of our tired, monotonous life, what we are dealing for past couple of 3 to 4 months, a short vacation is much needed, at least to boost up our mental health. We will stay here for one night. Very soon we will visit the sea beach. So for this time, bye bye. Around 5 in the evening, we all out for beach strolling. The beach was clear, though the sea was little for that time. Few red crabs were also spotted on the beach. The beautiful and clear weather really made our day special.
to be here in the sea beach. So now viewing the beautiful Bay of Bengal. The sun is about to set and meanwhile the moon rises up. Weather is very clear today and the sky looks awesome. Means, you can see that the clouds looks spectacular and there are very less tourists or locals on the beach.
It was 7 in the evening. We returned hotel and had snacks with potato and onion pakora and did our dinner with chili chicken and egg noodles. Hi friends, it's 7 in the morning and we too are moving towards the sea. Morning view of sea is always pleasant. Yesterday night spent boat and had a great sleep. Sea beach is only few steps away from our hotel, Island Heritage Bokkali. So don't want to miss the chance of a morning revisit. This time there were few fishermen on the sea as well as on the beach. Sea waves are also huge this time. Enjoyed the rough breaking waves of Bay of Bengal for almost 1 hour. Returning hotel, had our breakfast with delicious luchi and aloo dum. That day we had a plan to visit Frasierganj, fish market, sea beach and a nearby crocodile park. It has come to our notice that the devastated cyclone Amphan left its impression on this little island of Bay of Bengal. Hope everything will be normal soon. Reaching the crocodile park, we got disappointed as the park is temporarily closed there. Anyway, we then moved on to our next plan, which is visit Frasierganj fish market along the sea beach. The market was closed for general public to visit due to COVID threat. So we moved onto the sea beach. Bay of Bengal is as usual beautiful, but Bokkali Sea Beach is far good than this one. Spending some time capturing few snaps, we went off for Diamond Harbour. river Ganga is so wider that you even hardly spot the opposite bank from this place. We had a plan to have lunch at Kundalakhi Resort, Diamond Harbour. The food was yum and the resort was beautiful. Every journey has an end and you have to accept it. In this COVID pandemic, these 2 days leave from our uneventful, unsocial lives bring some oxygen to fuel up our upcoming days. Hope friends, you like our video and we will soon meet in another video. For the time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and bye bye.